Today we have a 1965 Ford Mustang, which, much like Shelby himself, was modified to a GT350 spec Mustang. It is not a Shelby, it is a standard Mustang, so therefore it is a clone and exceptional. We're going to take it for a ride. Come on. Well, it's been outside for quite some time today, so here's our cold start. One pump. There's your Ford power. Let's get on the road, warm it up a little bit. We're going to take it down one of our quicker roads as soon as it warms up. And I don't know if anyone has ever seen the movie Grand Prix with James Garner, but there is a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful scene where James Garner leaves Clermont-Ferrand, the French racetrack, for the hotel with Pete Aaron's wife. When he got back to the hotel, little hanky-panky there. But you got to watch the movie to see the rest of it, and I highly recommend it. This Shelby clone is excellent in every way. It was collector owned. I can say I drove it home last night to do my road test, and it also does everything right if this is your cup of tea, and I think it's really cool. Well, we're still warming her up a little bit, but she's almost there. Really well done, tight, well sorted. As you can see, it doesn't rattle like even a lot of the originals over bumps. Great braking, steering. Really easy to drive around town. Just pure muscle with its 289. GT350 Shelby clone for a fraction of the price of an original. And I'm good with that. Because after all, that's what Shelby did. He took a Mustang and he made it his own. So we're going to get down to the, we have a nice little river road down here where we go through some sweepers. That'll show its power and the might and its handling capabilities, and bring it back to the homestead because it will have spoken for itself. It doesn't shake, rattle, and roll like most of them because it has been exceptionally well done. Suspension dialed in. I could see racing it. It does have a roll bar. Could be a lot of fun. But more so, I think, as a 65, it's eligible for a hell of a lot of vintage road tours and rallies, and you could do it in power and comfort, so, which we'll show you in a couple of moments. And you can see she idles with the best of them with a nice cami lopey idle, perfect temperatures, rock solid idle, good oil pressure. Just American muscle, my friends. Just American muscle. All right, let's get on a little bit. It does put a smile on your face. It goes like hell with a boatload of torque. Great brakes. Well, now we're just cruising the back roads a little bit on our way to the FFR road. even fun at low speeds. And then as we saw before, all you have to do is put your foot down in fourth gear and you'll be really happy that you have a good brake pedal, because this puppy can go. It's a lot of fun. I believe they call this a lot of 289 pony power. Pony, get it? Pony and then horsey power?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a lot of ponies under the hood.
Just so you know, Jason hasn't been speaking on this one that much, which is not the norm. He's been trying to hold on for dear life so that he doesn't fall out the door. We're going to drop Jason off in a second so we can do our flybys. Well, I hope you enjoyed those flybys. This is some incredible, powerful GT350 clone. It is really cool, really fast, does everything right, and not only put a smile on my face, but Jason was grinning from ear to ear. So we'd like to thank you for watching yet another road test.
Thank you for watching, everybody. See you on the next one.
See ya.